In today's video, I'd like to show you the column profile. So it's this view here. So under Home, you go over to View, and you've got a couple of options here under the Data Preview tab. Okay, one of which is the column profile. So if I uncheck that, you'll see that it's not going to show. So I'll just check it so that you'll see. Okay, so I often use the column profile information here just to have a quick understanding of my data. Say, for example, I click on this column here, source. I know that there's a total of 274 data in total in my file. Okay, so for the source, if I go back to source, I've got a total of 274 rows in my query. And in this source column here, I have 7 distinct values. Okay, and I also have the values, the value distribution showing. So this is very helpful if you want to quickly understand your data. Okay, for example, if I click on description, okay, so these are the different types of description that is contained in this column. Okay, so I find this very helpful when I'm trying to have an understanding of my data. Another information as well, if you come down to the left, to the bottom left-hand side of your query here, you'll see column profiling based on top 1000 rows. Well, that just shows the first 1000 rows. So if you click on that, you are also able to do column profiling based on the entire data set. Okay, so that's very interesting because if you have more than 1000 rows in your query, it will only show the profiling for the first 1000 rows. Okay, so if you want to see all the data, the profiling for all your data, just click on column profiling based on the entire data set. Okay, for my example here, it doesn't make a difference because my query here contains only 774 rows. Okay, but if you have more than 1000 rows, okay, remember to click on column profiling based on the entire data set. So you have a profiling for the entire data set.